Every winter, tens of thousands of migratory birds come to Poyang Lake. The Shu Mountain in Poyang Lake is the preferred habitat for a large wild cormorants to overwinter. During the day, they search for food everywhere. In the evening, a spectacular scene of thousands of birds returning to their nests was staged on Shu Mountain. Many tourists have come to watch birds. Shu Mountain, it is said that is a fairy's embroidered shoe fell into the lake, so it is called Shu Mountain. Shu Mountain is home to many birds and is known as the Bird Island. Most overwintering birds choose to inhabit the relatively warm and sparsely populated southeast, creating a unique landscape of half snow-capped mountain and half forest.